Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to configure settings in WordPress. Log in to WordPress. On the left sidebar, go to Settings and click on General. On the General Settings page, you can edit the fields like blog title, tagline, and website URL. You can also change the time zone, date, and time formats. Click on Save Changes. Now, click on Writing. On this page, you can edit the settings related to writing posts. Make sure to click on Save Changes if you have made changes before leaving a page. Go to Reading. In this section, you can set how many blog pages you want to show. Click on Save Changes button. Click on Discussion. In this section, you can change the settings related to comments and avatars. Click on Save Changes. Select Media. On this page, you can set image sizes for images included in posts. Select permalinks. Here, under Common Settings, you can set the type of URL structure for your website. Click on Privacy. On the Privacy Settings page, you can change privacy policy from this drop-down or create a new page by clicking on Create New Page button. That's how you can configure settings in WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.